This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Monday, February 3rd. I'm Perry Ingram. On Friday, the Commodore basketball teams battled Norcombe. Both the boys and girls fell to the Greyhounds. The boys fell 55-50, and Keyshawn Tonzel led the Commodores with 16 points. The girls' team also lost a close one, 48-45. Now here's Ethan Harrell in the control room. What's on the schedule?
Perry, there's nothing on the schedule for today. However, tomorrow the basketball teams will be in action against Clipperton. The JVs will play Monday in the Eastern District Championship meet. The races begin at 2 o'clock. Finally, the swimming teams host Churchland in the Maury Pool. Races begin at 5 o'clock. Back to you, Perry.
Thanks, Ethan. Now here's what's happening at MH. That's all for this update. We'll see you again Friday.
This has been a Commodore News Update.